Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as Edible and Poisonous Mushrooms Classification by Machine Learning Algorithm, which is an IEEE 2022 conference paper. So before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. So there are millions of mushroom spices available all over the world, but all the mushrooms are not eatable, which means are edible. So there are some poisonous groups of mushrooms also. So this is classified as edible mushrooms and poisonous mushroom. So it is not easy to distinguish between the edible mushroom and poisonous mushroom from each other. It requires special conditions based on the expertise they can only able to classify it, and the classification of this poisonous and edible mushroom is therefore the important one. So the machine learning algorithms is an excellent solution for classifying this poisonous and edible mushrooms based on their morphological and the physical features of the fungi. So in this project they have used the dataset which is available in UC Irwin machine learning repository, which uses the mushroom dataset. So there are 22 features available in this mushroom dataset, and in this paper the authors have used Decision Tree, Navy Base, Adapt Boost and support vector machine learning algorithms, but we are not going to use the same as mentioned in the base paper, and also the accuracy they have achieved was a different one. So we are going to use our proposed model as Decision Tree Classifier, and the train accuracy that we have achieved is 100%, and the test accuracy that we have achieved is 100%, which is the improvement that you have made from the base paper. Now let us see the dataset part. So in the dataset part, so here you can see the dataset. So in the dataset there are around so in the dataset there are 22 features. 22 features are being used in the dataset, and also it consists of 4,208 edible mushroom and also 3,916 poisonous mushroom. So here you can see the details of it with the class, cap shape, cap surface, cap color, bruises, order, gill attachment, gill spacing, gill size, gill color, stack shape, stack root, stack surface above ring, stack surface below ring, stack color above ring, stack color below ring, wheel type and wheel coloring, ring number, ring type, spore print color, population, habitat of it. So these are the features that is available in the dataset. So this dataset can scroll down until you can see, which consists around 8,124 data. So these are the features that is mentioned, or the anatomy that is available for the mushroom. So you can check the anatomy of the mushroom, where you can see these features or the physical properties of the mushroom part. So before executing the project, make sure that you fulfill the requirement that is mentioned in the requirements folder with the exact version of the Python and the libraries that is being provided. So first copy the source code location, go to your command prompt. Now go to the source code location, then type python app.py and click enter, and kindly wait for few minutes. So now you can see this URL. Just copy this URL, go to any of your browser. I'm going to Firefox, so just paste this URL and click enter, and now it will be navigated to the home page of the project, so where you can see the project title with edible and poisonous mushroom classification. first go to the login menu. Just click this login menu. Once if you click this login menu, it will be navigated to the login page. So this is the login page where you can see the username and password, and kindly note that this is a static login page because we have not used any database in the project. So just enter the default username and password as admin and admin, and then click this login button. So once the login is successful, you can see this login success message, and then click OK. So now it will be navigated to the upload part where you need to upload the dataset that we are going to train up with. So just click this browse button. So now you can go to the project source code location, and you can select this upload.csv file and then click this upload. And once the dataset has been uploaded, it will be navigated to the preview part where you can preview the dataset that we have uploaded, where you can see the features of the dataset that we have shown earlier, that is cap shape, cap surface, cap color, bruises order, gill attachment, gill spacing, gill size, gill color, stack shape, stack root, stack surface above ring, stack surface below ring, stack color above ring, stack color below ring, veil type, veil color, ring number, ring type, spore print color, population and habitat of it. So just scroll down till the end of the page where you can see the complete dataset has been loaded into the preview part of it. And now just click this click to train or test button. So after a few seconds you can see the training is finished message, and click OK. So now it will be navigated to the prediction part where you need to enter the test cases to find the prediction result, whether it is an edible or poisonous mushroom. So let me show you with a few cases. First let me enter the cap shape as convex, cap surface as fibrous, cap color is brown, bruises is no bruises, order is none, gill spacing is crowded, gill size is broad, gill color is brown, stack shaping is tapering, stack root is equal, stack surface above ring is smooth, stack surface below ring is fibrous, stack above color above ring is white, stack color below ring is also white, veil color is white, ring number is 1, ring type is evanescent, spore print color is black, population is abundant, habitat is grasses. So once after entering this test case, let me click this prediction button, and once after clicking the prediction button you can see the prediction result is edible. So now let me go to the prediction menu again to enter some other case. So now let me enter the cap shape as sunken, cap surface is fibrous, cap color is gray, bruises is no, order is none, gill spacing is close, gill size is narrow, gill color is black, stack shape is enlarging, stack root is equal, stack surface above the ring is smooth, stack surface below the ring is smooth, stack color above the ring is white, stack color below the ring is white, veil color is white, and ring number is 1, ring type is pendant, spore print color is brown, population is solitary, habitat is urban. So now let me check the prediction result of this case by clicking this prediction button, and you can see the prediction result is edible. So let me go to the prediction menu again. So this time let me enter the cap shape as convex, cap surface is smooth, cap color is brown, bruises, order is pungent, gill spacing is close, gill size is narrow, gill color is brown, stack shaping is enlarging, stack root is equal, stack surface above ring is smooth, stack surface below ring is smooth, stack color above ring is white, stack color below ring is white, veil color is white, ring number is 1, ring type is pendant, spore print color is black, population is scattered, and habitat is grasses. And let me check the prediction result for this case is poisonous. So the prediction result for this case is poisonous. And finally let me show you with the final case with this clicking this prediction menu. Let me enter the cap shape as flat, cap surface as smooth, cap color as white, bruises, order with pungent, gill spacing with close, and gill size with narrow, gill color with brown, stack shape is enlarging, stack root is equal, stack surface above the ring is smooth, stack surface below the ring is smooth, stack color above the ring is white, stack surface below the ring is white, veil color is white, ring type is 1, ring type is pendant, spore print color is brown, population is several, habitat is grasses. Now let me check the prediction result for this case. So the predicted result is poisonous. So for the scenario I have shown you with the edible and poisonous for the each two cases, and you can check the other cases from the test data or from the data set that we have trained up with. So now let me move to the next part, that is the performance analysis part. So in the performance analysis part we can see the performance analysis parameter like recall, f1 and precision value. So here you can see the recall, f1 and precision values for the edible and poisonous class. So and also next comes the confusion matrix. So this confusion matrix is being depicted from the true and the predicted class for it. And next comes the chart part, and this chart is a static chart because we have not used any database in this project. So this chart has been depicted from the data set that we have trained up with, which consists of around 70% of edible mushroom data and 30% of poisonous mushroom data. And let me log out. And this is all about the project edible and poisonous mushrooms classification by machine learning algorithm. And thank you all for watching.